Okay, guys, so a little bit more of grammar. Now you're going to see time sequencers and connectors, okay? So time sequencers, it's exactly what the name says, all right? So they are words that we use to show a sequence of time, okay? So for example, after that, the next day, 2 minutes later, when. So let's listen to these examples.
1.46.
On our first date, we went to the movies. After that, we started meeting every day.
On Thursday, I had an argument with my boss. The next day, I decided to look for a new job.
We sat down to eat. 2 minutes later, the phone rang.
When I came out of the club, he was waiting for me.
The accident happened when I was crossing the street.
Okay, so pretty simple, right? Similar to Portuguese as well. I don't think you're gonna have problems with that. So we use time sequencers to say when or in what order things happen. We use when as a time sequencer and also to join two actions. Like, for example, I was watching TV when the phone rang. So, two verbs joined by when. Yes, watching TV and the phone rang. We have then and after that are very, very common to give a sequence in a story, right? So the most common way of linking consecutive actions is with then or after that, but not just after, okay? For example, I got up and got dressed. Then I made a cup of coffee. Or I got up and got dressed. After that, I made a cup of coffee, right? Here we have because and so that are considered connectors, right? Because, so, but, although. So, because, so, they express reason or result, okay? So, she was driving fast because she was in a hurry. In a hurry means com pressa, ok? So, ela estar com pressa é a razão pela qual ela estava dirigindo rápido, right? Or she was in a hurry, so she was driving fast. So here we have the result, okay? So let's listen to these examples.
1.47.
She was driving fast because she was in a hurry.
She was in a hurry, so she was driving fast.
And then we have but and although. So, but, mas, although, entretanto. Okay? Now let's listen to these examples.
1.48.
She tried to stop the car, but she hit the man.
Although she tried to stop the car, she hit the man.
She was
Sorry?
1.48.
She tried to stop the car, but she hit the man.
Although she tried to stop the car, she hit the man.
She was very tired, but she couldn't sleep.
She couldn't sleep although she was very tired.
So, but we translate as mas, although, embora. Yeah? We use both to show contrast. So in general, when we use the to, is because we have opposite ideas in the sentence, right? Although can go at the beginning or in the middle of the sentence, right?